Ano? Yes. Thank you, guys. Para madaming manood. Hala na, ko. Ah, okay. Sorry. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I didn't notice. Hello, ID. Hello, Drake. FJ. Steve. Hello, Steve. Wait. Matog taon niya, guys. No. Tanaw mo sa akong live, guys. You watch my PK later. Huwag kayong matulog muna. Sabay-sabay tayong matulog, guys. We sleep at the same time. Ganun. Di ba, burger? Oh my gosh! Lumalabas lang siya sa sa bunganga ko. Hindi ko siya namalayan. Hindi ko siya namamalayan. Hindi ko nga alam, anong F word? Sinabi ko yun? Hindi ko nga, I don't know. Sorry akin yung sorry. Guys, wait. Guys, wag magpuyat na yun. No! Uy, grabe kayo sa akin. Ano ba talaga dyan? Sleep later? Or be there or else? Or else, guys, kapag hindi ko kayo sana to si susulat ko yung mga name nyo, okay? John P, V, Wallace, Jim, Lobster, sino pa tong iba? Dami pa, sige, go. Tapos, ba't wala sila ngayon? Sige, Trace. Shock kayo, I'm gonna be at your front door. Ba't wala ka sa PK ko? Di ba sabi mo nina? Patay kayo sa akin. Is your PK Philippine time? No, it's not. It's a Philippine time. It's Philippine time. So I don't know what time is it there in Ireland. I don't know. Yeah, it's a Philippine time. I don't know anong oras yan sa Ireland. Yeah, Wallace, you helped me, Wallace. Diba you promised me, Wallace, that you're gonna give me, ilan yung sabi niya, V, nakalimutan ko na. He promised me after a few weeks daw. Ilang weeks na ata? 2 weeks na ata. It's been 2 weeks, Wallace, since you said that. You helped me later, my PK. If you're not busy though, because if you're busy and also, or you're gonna be sleeping at that time because we don't have the same time zone. So it's also fine. It's also fine. Hindi naman ako namimilit. It's just makikita mo ako sa makikita tayo sa front door mo. Mm-mm. Grabe yan siya. Sulas sa hangin, SS mo na lang. Ay, na-SS pala. Ah, oo, pwede pala SS. Wait. Dito, oh. Si A1, si B, si Meow, si V, si Wallace. Hello, Jeloy. Hello, Jeloy. Hindi ko na siguro babasahin lahat, no? Grabe naman siguro lahatin ko. At ito. Guys, hindi ako nakapagsimba today kasi 'di ba nga dumating ako dito around 8 na ata. Dumating ako dito around 8 na. So, yung simba kasi is 8 a.m. So, I had to prepare pa. Kailangan ko pang maligo, kailangan ko pang all. Kaya hindi ako nakapagsimba. That's my tito. Kasi siya, nagbibihis kasi siya. Alam nga naman, that's my uncle. Nagbibihis kasi siya because, he's changing. My uncle is changing. Do you wanna watch as he change? Welcome all. Welcome guys! Welcome to my live. To my 170 viewers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Buyag. Tito. Tito or